India is rising, not just as a nation, but as a formidable force on the global stage. A new era is dawning, marked by unprecedented advancements and strategic innovations. Technological advancement is at the forefront, driving the nation towards self-reliance and superior defense capabilities. The nation embraces innovation and pushes boundaries, setting new benchmarks in military technology. In the realm of defense, a revolution is brewing, transforming the landscape with cutting-edge solutions. Indigenous capabilities are taking center stage, showcasing India's commitment to homegrown defense solutions. A powerful testament to this progress is Nagastra-1, India's inaugural autonomous combat drone, or as some call it, a suicide drone. This innovation represents a significant leap in our defense technology. This leap forward in drone technology showcases India's growing prowess in defense innovation, highlighting our ability to develop sophisticated and effective military solutions. Developed by a consortium of Indian private firms and defense organizations, Nagastra-1 represents a new generation of intelligent weapons systems. This compact and lethal drone is designed for precision strikes against enemy targets, substantially reducing the risk to Indian Armed Forces personnel. It boasts advanced features like autonomous navigation, target identification, and a powerful warhead capable of crippling critical enemy assets. Nagastra-1's introduction has significant implications for India's strategic posture. The drone enhances India's surveillance capabilities, providing real-time intelligence on enemy movements across challenging terrain. This capability is crucial for maintaining territorial integrity and responding effectively to threats. Furthermore, Nagastra-1's precision strike capabilities act as a powerful deterrent against potential adversaries. The development of Nagastra-1 is not just about a single drone. It signifies a monumental leap forward in India's defense capabilities. This advanced technology is a testament to the nation's growing expertise and ambition in the field of military innovation. It represents a paradigm shift in India's defense industry. It highlights the nation's commitment to fostering self-reliance in critical defense technologies. This achievement will undoubtedly encourage further innovation and development in areas like artificial intelligence, swarm drone tactics, and next-generation weaponry, securing India's place at the forefront of modern warfare. By investing in such cutting-edge projects, India is not only enhancing its defense mechanisms, but also paving the way for a future where it can independently design, develop, and deploy sophisticated military solutions. Nagastra-1 is a potent symbol of India's technological ambition, representing a significant milestone in the nation's journey towards self-reliance and innovation. It stands as a testament to the ingenuity, dedication, and relentless efforts of its engineers and scientists who have worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. This remarkable achievement serves as an inspiration for future generations, encouraging young minds to push the boundaries of what's possible and dream big. It also highlights the importance of contributing to the nation's growing technological prowess on the global stage, showcasing India's capabilities. With each advancement, India takes another stride toward its rightful place as a leader in science, technology, and global security, ensuring a safer and more prosperous future for all.